Give me a second.
I'm seeing shit, bro.
What?
I think the edible's still hitting. I don't know, bro.
The edible you took 2 days ago? Yeah, okay, buddy.
Yes, bro.
Okay, buddy.
It's
Okay,
still
buddy.
hitting, bro.
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy.
I don't know what
Okay,
was
buddy.
in there.
No, it's okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy.
Oh, yeah,
Wonderful.
Okay, buddy.
All my socks need to be washed.
Okay, buddy.
You know what? I'm gonna put on my do-rag.
Okay, buddy.
Or I mean bonnet.
Your bonnet?
Ouch.
Okay, buddy. Oh, the fuck. Okay.
Alright, get to work.
Okay, buddy.
Get to work, man.
Okay, buddy.
Get to work.
Okay, buddy. You can't say that. I'm streaming.
I did it.
Okay. How do we do the X method?
Star
So-
method.
Shut the fuck up!
It's a
I
fucking
love you,
star.
Okay. You just obviously make the X, and then so the middle exponent is gonna go at the top, and then the last exponent is gonna go at the bottom. We need to find two numbers that are going to add to equal the top number, and that can multiply to equal the bottom number.
Multiply.
Pay fucking attention, Dane.
To multiply.
She is paying her rent through this.
They can multiply to equal the bottom number.
Weird. So, move this whole.
Why are you taking notes, bro? Star method ain't that hard, man.
Okay. I'm not gonna fucking remember this shit. Well, unless I write it down on my arm, but the only thing that is on my arm is this rose.
That's
Okay.
on the fart.
And now we're gonna do x plus 3
Okay.
and x minus 2. Now,
So, do the fuck. Never mind, I'm sorry.
now if we want to set these equal to 0. So it would be x plus 3 equals 0, which is x equals negative 3. And that's the point that we're going to use on the graph.
It's called finding their factors.
Negative 3, 0.
No. So we
Or just
want,
x equals negative 3.
well, it's x equals negative 3 because we have to set it equal to 0.
Yeah.
And that would make it x equals negative 3. And then we're going to do the same thing with x minus 2 equals 0, and that becomes x equals positive 2. So now we have these 2 points, and because on the graph it's a U-shaped curve, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, those are the points. Do you have your review? I'm gonna take that as a no. That's okay.
Dude, I got you your review. I gave you a review. I remember giving it to you. Check your back.
It's okay. So, and because, so now to determine if this is going to, face downwards or face upwards, we gotta look at the first variable. And because it's positive, it's gonna face upwards, so it's gonna be a U shape. Instead of like,
So, smiley instead of a frown.
yeah.
Thanks. So where's that gonna go? They're gonna be like negative 6. I don't fucking know. Where's that one gonna be?
What do you mean?
Where's that?
Oh, this was
Where's the vertex gonna be?
We haven't figured out the vertex yet, but the y-intercept is negative 6.
Alright.
So, and then you just kind of make the U like that.
Okay, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, wrong stuff. Nothing. I apologize. I'm retarded. Just a little bit retarded. I may be retarded. Just a little bit. Thanks for reminding me that I'm fucking retarded. I appreciate it. You make me feel stupid every fucking day. Really appreciate it. Thank you. No, it's okay. It's alright. You know, keep smiling. Keep smiling, you know. It makes you look nicer. Makes you good at the whenever you're teaching your fucking students. It's incredible. Thank you so much. Think about Sean, Thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that it? Is that all it's asking?
Yeah, for this part, but then, yeah. Actually, yeah, for that part, that's all it is, because
Okay.
they just want you to draw it.
Oh, we should slide it.
But then well, that's the easiest one. But
Okay.
then for, but then for 2, we have to find the vertex, intercepts, and the maximum or the minimum. And if the parabola is gonna open upward or downward. And we don't have to draw anything or really solve anything for this. Simply because it's just told in the thing. But-
+2.
Yes, the vertex is +2.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Intercepts are-
Hold on.
Okay, wait,
Hold
wait,
on.
wait, wait.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Find the Max? Where is Max? Can you come to the room?
Next is probably at his house.
No! Okay. Does he live in That's retarded. Does he live in Commerce?
Yeah, but he lives in 10 minutes old.
That's 6 or 7 times 2 minutes. 6 or 7 times 2 or 3.
Yeah.
You know what 2 times 3 is?
Mhm.
6.
Yeah.
You know what 6, 7, 2, 3, and then the resulting number is
My
12
shirt smells so fruity, bro.
and 18 all equal 6. Just based off of the amount of numbers, that value is 6.
Wait, who?
And 6 by itself is just one number. 6 plus 1 is 7.
It's just so
6,
fruity.
7.
Well.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, because I'm watching it.
You're still being live streamed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. So the vertex is basically you're gonna take this number and just make it equal to 0. So the same thing.
Don't get
So the
distracted.
So the same thing that we did,
Mm-hmm.
which was x minus 2 equals 0, is now just x equals 2.
Oh.
So just
No, just teach him how, like,
because you just change
if
the
it
sign.
means -2, it means the thing moves to the
Okay,
right.
wait, can we use
Right
notes
to-
on the test? Oh, fuck my life, man.
Just
Can I
teach
just
him.
write all this shit on my own?
Just teach him
You
all the
certainly
info.
could try.
Just teach him all the transformations. He'll understand then. Did you hear me, Sabrina?
Yeah, I know, but like,
Just 6, 7. Make the 7 darker, bro. Guys, y'all wanna see the shirt? Wait, I gotta show YouTube the shirt we did on the video. YouTube. Where is it? YouTube. Wait, where
What?
is it, bro? Wait, is it on this side?
The camera's right there.
is it a shirt with her initial?
Yeah, and then she.
Oh, that's fine.
Where the fuck? Oh, it's on this side. Okay. Okay, guys. We're.
L. What?
Oh, so kiss lips.
Oh, I see. That's cute.
Okay, it looks really dirty.
Do you wear
I
it?
need lip in there. I do time to time. This is my sleep shirt. Sometimes I wear it out if I need a black tee.
And then. So now we found the vertex.
Get to work! Also, can you put some Drake?
No.
That was a bait. Get to work. Yeah. Oh, my Kanye shirt. Can I show the Kanye shirt on stream? It has a swastika on it. Guys, if you know, you know. Big Eagle. Glow in the dark too. I should be Kanye for Halloween.
Low key.
I
No.
could put on this shirt. I could put on socks and not have shoes on. Oh my god, I could be confident. Get like a black mask like you guys. Yo, I'm freaking hot. Yeah, you should like Kanye West.
How do we pick that up?
I'm thinking about it.
Don't you love it when you find a new pair of socks and they're fresh and washed?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You don't have to keep fucking re-wearing old fucking.
Why do you re-wear your old socks? I brought like 20 fucking pairs of socks here.
I'm supposed to have 24, but I only have like 6, 7 left. I don't know where all they went.
Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on.
Hmm.
Well, we got math we gotta be doing.
Yeah.
Shit. You better start with my fault.
That's not your review.
Hey, chill out, man.
Yo, there's no fucking way that is.
There you go. Yes! Yes, that's it! That is it!
I don't see a hair in my laundry basket.
Okay.
Okay, what am I doing?
So, obviously the cross method first, right?
Well, yeah.
And then you take the middle variable, you put at the top, and you put the last variable, which is also the
No,
y-intercept.
for these.
Oh.
So you start that. Yeah.
Well, the vertex is just going to be the x equals or x plus whatever number inside here. Ignore the exponent, the square, that really doesn't matter. But if it's x minus 2, then the vertex would be 2, and if it's x plus 2, obviously, it would be negative 2. Okay. And then
Why does my underwear smell like corn?
for the maximum or minimum, you look at it and basically, so because because the first x is negative, because the first variable is negative, that means it's gonna be a frown, which also means that it's gonna have a maximum. But obviously, if it was a U shape, then it would have a minimum because it would be at the bottom of the graph. Hey, you're distracted. It's enough having you. Either learn. Thanks, Kim. Alright. So, obviously, it would be maximum because there's the frown. And because the y-intercept is 4, the maximum is 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Wonderful. And then the intercepts, you basically just unfoil it. So because it's x minus 2 squared, that would just be x minus 2, x plus 2, that's how it is unfoiled. Or no, that would be x plus 1, my bad.
Can you explain it?
Huh?
The maximum and the minimum?
So the maximum, if it's a frown, which also means that if there's a negative in front of the first exponent, then it's going to be a frown and there's going to be a maximum because it's going to be the point at the top of the graph.
But if there's not going to be
Yes.
and
And because we just unfoiled this, it's just, the points are just going to be x equals 2 and x equals negative 1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, and obviously it's going to open downward because we have a maximum. Are you good on this? Relationship between profit and revenues from advertising. Do you understand this portion? Like should I move on to the horizontal and vertical asymptotes?
Let him do it for himself.
No? Okay.
Wait, hold on. So, the degree of a polynomial is just x. I mean, exponent is a degree, right? So,
Well, not exactly, because if you're looking for the degree of the polynomial, it's gonna be this, this, and
yeah,
this
it's like
added
the highest.
together.
Yeah, the highest exponent you can make with every exponent, I guess.
Well, it wouldn't necessarily be the highest exponent because you're just getting all the exponents and adding them together, so the degree
So it would be like,
would be 10.
yeah.
Because this is the entire
Yeah,
polynomial.
that's what I mean.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
Why the fuck all x and okay.
What?
All x and y intersects. I'm gonna fuck myself. Can you help me though?
Yeah. And all x intercepts and the y intercept. So there's never gonna be more than one y intercept. It's all, like there will be multiple x intercepts, but there's only gonna be one y if it's a polynomial.
You're gonna do this undefined function, so there's just gonna be a line that looks like this.
Yeah, something like that.
That's what we're in for.
Pretty much. All x intercepts and the y intercept. Actually, let me see this real quick. Paarth, grab me that stack of yellow papers right there. Thank you. Make sure I'm doing this right.
Can you change my mic?
Yeah, but I got a question.
Yo,
Do opposites always get trapped?
absolutely fucking not.
Where
Are
do
you
you
happy to get mad?
Huh?
Are you happy to get mad?
What?
I want you bad. She wanna make up.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
I
Oh
might
my
give you the
god.
issue of you might kill me. Wrist filled up, my heart's filled. I'm off the lead, except at the same time. I can only stay up. What part are you on?
Yes. Okay. Wait.
Oh, how do you do the degree shit? I don't know that one.
Okay, look. So the degree of the polynomial is just gonna be 3, 5, and 2 added together. The degree of the entire polynomial. So it's just all the exponents added together
Serious?
to get one thing. Yeah, that's it.
That's how easy it was, and I got it wrong.
Yeah.
That's
Ow.
stupid.
I'm gonna go fucking piss quick. Piss? Pantera?
I was about to ask, what if it's a negative polynomial or negative exponent? but
It's
that's
not
a
going to
thing.
be.
Yeah.
It's not. Cannot be a thing.
That's
That's a
not
square
That's
root.
what I said. It's not possible.
Yeah, that's a square root.
Oh, I'm praying we don't gotta do logs and square roots and shit like that. Oh my god, I will jump off a cliff. I will jump off P3rd. Almost at P, the word I'm not supposed to say.
What's the word you're not supposed to say?
P3. It's P3rd, bro.
P to the third.
Okay, here's my laundry I have to do. And then, what do I do with my clean clothes? What should I do with my clean clothes?
I'm not gonna lie. Some of this is gonna have to be in your handwriting because he's gonna think that I did it for
I'm
you.
not gonna turn it in. Why would I turn it in?
Because sometimes it's extra credit.
I don't think.
Okay.
How much extra credit?
I think it's like 5 points. I don't know. Okay. Excuse me. How do we do that further on? 28,000 spent on advertising, 128 in profit.
What part are you on?
We're doing this right now.
Let me get on
For
that
the
chair,
board.
bro.
I wonder what the mic quality sounds like on screen.
Go for it, bro.
Where's my notebook? Yeah.
Oh, yours a review on that shit too, huh?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm on like a Kaisen hash film or something. Are we watching ourselves?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Do you understand part how to get the end behavior and the y intercepts and the x intercepts? Okay. We'll save end behavior for last. So basically, get how to unfoil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Kind of, but like if you see it's x squared, what is the square root of 25?
5.
Right? So it would just be x minus 5 and x plus 5.
Yeah.
Because it's x squared minus 25. So
Would the degree of this one be 4? Just by looking at it.
this?
Yeah.
Would it be?
Why would you say that?
Because it goes up and down 3. It changes direction 4 times.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, so that's what degree means.
Kind of in the graph sense, yes. And obviously the leading coefficient would be positive because it's going upward. Yeah. But for this, obviously you just unfoil it. It's x minus 5, x plus 5, so two of our x-intercepts already are x equals negative 5 and x equals 5. And then, because there's nothing here to follow up the x cubed, it's gonna be x equals 0. Because there's nothing after it. I don't know how
What
to...
about with 4x minus 1? Would that
4x that you would just turn that into a fraction. So that would basically become 1 over 4 positive.
So x equals 1 over 4 for.
And then it
intercept?
becomes. So in this case there's 4 x-intercepts.
Yeah.
But because
okay.
this one is less than 1, x does not equal this. So it could have been if it was greater than 1, but because it's not, we only keep these 3.
So it's 3 x-intercepts.
Yes. It's 3 x-intercepts.
Alright. Not 4.
And the y-intercept would just be, pretty sure the y-intercept would just be 5. If I'm not mistaken.
How would it be 5?
Because it would be the last... It'd be the last, number. Because it goes back to the slope, which is y equals mx plus b, and b is the y-intercept.
If y equals mx plus me, then it must be an MC that's sub C and must C and must C. I haven't even touched the square roots of my averages. 3.14 part divided with averages. The same with damn democracy, my folks totalitarian, battling with barbarians.
Oh, no. So the y-intercept is 0 because there is no plus something. So it's just, so the y-intercept is 0.
So I had a feeling.
Did
I
you?
was gonna tell you, yeah, I was gonna ask about that.
Wonderful. Yeah, does that make sense?
Enough.
Why would it be 0?
Because typically it's y equals mx plus b, right?
Mm-hmm.
there is no plus anything anywhere in this polynomial. So there is no y-intercept, which is why it's 0. See how I put plus 0 here? This is typically where it would be plus and then the y-intercept, which would be whatever number.
Oh, so it never moved. Okay.
Because that's not there.
I got it.
It would be 0.
Yeah, I got it.
We did number 5. Horizontal asymptote. Does that make sense?
I don't know
Okay.
shit about this.
Alright, wonderful.
That's the.
Okay.
That's the one that goes like this, right? Wait, horizontal this way.
Horizontal is this way, this is vertical.
What is an asymptote?
Asymptote, this is
Same shit
also
as vertex, no?
this is also dealing with the exponents.
Oh,
It is?
So, yes.
I'm thinking of something else.
So basically we're gonna look at the exponents and then we're also if they're equal, then we look at the bigger numbers, which are the coefficients. So then we take this fraction, which is 5/4, and that
Conversation?
becomes 1.25.
So we just group these hoes together?
No, it's only the leading coefficients here.
Oh, okay. So, just
So because in these two sequences, these have the highest exponents,
Mhm.
we're gonna use these as a fraction. So it'd be 5/4, which is also 1.25.
yeah.
And that's the horizontal asymptote for that one. You only look at the beginning of it, or the leading coefficients. You basically ignore the rest of the function.
So the rest of it is just there to like fuck
Okay,
you
but
up.
how does
Yeah.
it look on the graph? What does
So
that
it
asymptote
would be.
look like?
What would you do for these then?
For what?
For this one?
Okay, so for this one, there actually is no horizontal asymptote. Because if the numerator is greater than the denominator, there is no horizontal asymptote, and that's just a rule. I can't really explain that any further.
Okay.
It's just that if the numerator's exponent is greater than the denominator, then it doesn't exist. And then vertical asymptote, it gets more difficult because we have to take this and this and do the x method again.
Mm-hmm.
So then that would be 6 at the top, because that's 6x, and then 8 at the bottom, and then you just have to find two numbers that add to get to 6 and two numbers that add to get to 8. Or two numbers that multiply to get to 8.
So add to 6, multiply for 8. 4 and 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Which is x equals -2 and x equals -4. And because you can't factor x plus 16, we ignore it.
Mm.
So the answer for this is -2 and -4.
Okay. So it'd be
So
the same for this
would it
one
be
too?
the same as the vertex?
Huh?
It's the same as the vertex?
Vortex.
Kind of, but you have to look at the exponents. And if something isn't factorable, then you ignore it.
So will there not be a vertical asymptote for this one? Or would it be 3 and 25? That makes no fucking sense.
No. So, well, because it's cubed, it would be the factored version of this would be x minus 5 and x plus 5. So the only vertical asymptotes for this are going to be x equals 5 and x equals -5.
No, okay. 5.
At least I hope that that's the only two. Let me make sure. Okay. And then it would also be... Oh, I see. Because there's a 2 in front of this x, but we can't factor it, it would also be x equals 0.
Oh, can I see the solution sheet?
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
What question is that?
7.
Yeah, 7B.
Can I see the paper as well? But if x is 3, why would you only divide it into 5 instead? Oh, you need the x, okay.
Because it's x cubed,
Mhm.
it doesn't really
Yeah,
have
yeah.
anything else to do with it.
Yeah, so you get cube. So why do you not do the top again? Only the bottom?
Because it's not factorable because there's no exponent and because because there's a coefficient in front of the x. Because the 2's
So
in front of
this
the
one,
x.
this one wouldn't work because it's factorable.
No. This one doesn't work because the exponent in the numerator is greater than the one in the denominator. Because this one is 4 and this one is 2. That's just a rule. Like I can't
Okay.
break that down.
You gonna do this one?
Huh?
Did you do this one?
Just the x method. See?
Oh, so you just factor the bottom and then whatever the factor is your vertical asymptote?
Yeah.
Okay, and then for horizontal, is it the top?
Horizontal, it's you just look at the exponents, and so because these are the leading exponents and they're equal, then we look at the coefficients, and because that's 5/4, then we take that fraction and we turn it into a decimal.
Can we buy this one? Or
This
over
one?
2? That would be just not
Yeah,
work.
yeah, it doesn't
Okay.
work because of the rule. Yes.
Alright.
Okay. Intercepts. Kind of already did that. Intercepts of this would literally just be x equals -16 and x equals -4 and x equals -2 because we already did that. So okay. Comprende?
Comprende.
Wonderful.
The fuck is, I don't speak fucking Italian.
That's Spanish.
That's
bro.
Spanish.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you know how to do elimination and substitution?
Fuck
Fuck no.
Okay, so we're gonna use elimination. Which is okay. Wait. Give me a second.
Damn, cheese are belt to assing.
Hmm?
What? McLaurin did
Oh.
play.
Okay.
This
So
makes me mad.
so we just have to. So if we want to get what y is, we just have to take one of these and set the x to 0. Unless you want to solve for x first, it really doesn't matter. Just pick
Y.
one, x or y.
Y.
Okay, what-
Actually X.
X.
Actually Y. X.
Alright, so it's going to be 9x minus 3. We're going to place the y with 0 because we're solving for x equals 9. We picked this one first.
Yep.
And then obviously it would just be 9x equals 9 because -3 and 0 is 0. And that's x equals 1. Then we substitute the x equals 1 into this one.
So it would just be 4 times 1 plus 2 times y equals 14.
Yes.
So 4 plus 2y equals 14. So
Yeah.
4 plus 5 equals 14.
Yeah.
Okay.
Need to subtract the 4. That's 2y equals 10, y equals 5. So for this one, it's just x equals 1, y equals 5.
Okay.
Yes. And that's elimination. And substitution at the same time, but don't worry about it. Okay.
6, 7. Pumpkin.
Alright. Do you know how to write this as a matrix?
No.
So, do you have an idea of how to write this as a matrix?
Exactly how it looks. Just name
I'm gonna assume exactly how it looks.
Yeah, you're just removing the,
Variable.
yeah, so instead of x, it'd be 1, 2, -3. Instead of the equal sign, we're doing a line, and then 4, doing the same thing. The next row is 5, -3, 1, and 6, and the next row is 6, 8, -9, and 4. Add the bracket, that's literally the answer. Wonderful. And then here, it says perform tutorial operations, so it's practically telling you what to do. So for the first row, we're gonna multiply it by -2, which is why it's -2, row 1. So that would make row 1 -2, -8, 2, and -8. And then it says to add it to row 2 after we multiply it by -2. So we're adding it to this.
Oh. So we just go in order
Yeah.
from all of these. So just 1, 2, and down over here, again.
And then that makes your new row 2.
Yeah, and then just do the same shit to get row 3.
Yeah.
Then we can keep it like this. Confirm. Okay.
And it's the same thing for 12. Oh, Parth, I was in the library earlier and I solved that one matrix that we were stuck on.
So what does it look like? Oh, this is shit way wrong.
For the first one, that's what it looks like. For this is what I got.
Yeah, Loki fucked up. Loki fucked up.
How did you get 7?
Good fucking question. How did you wrong? Row 3 plus row 1.
Oh, did you do this one or did you do this one?
I did this one and then I did this one.
No. These are two separate things. These don't go like in order.
Oh.
These
fuck,
are
okay.
two completely separate things.
Yes.
So like this one will make a different row, and this one will make a different row.
And we're not still gonna get 7.
Huh?
We're not still gonna get 7 for the last one.
No, because this one changes before you start this one. Because it's giving you a new row 2.
It's in row 2. We're adding row 3 and row 1.
Okay, yeah, but I'm just telling you these are two separate things.
Yeah, okay. The fuck? I'm gonna be retarded. Well,
Because I only did this one.
okay.
That's why we got two different things.
Fuck, put on the. Oh my god, I can make so much money right now.
Doing what?
Sports weather. They have like extra easy tools right now on the game that's going on right now. It's Vegas called.
What'd you get -8? Oh, because that's.
Because you're just adding
Sorry,
negative
yeah.
8 to 0.
You get 5.
See,
Because
my
you're
brain.
adding 2 to 3.
See, the way my brain works, it works the opposite of to be good at that.
Right.
If that makes sense.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get the right answer?
Had 2 instead of 5, but yeah. Close enough.
What?
Close enough.
But if you show all the work but you get the answer wrong, he'll still give you credit.
No, that's. I mean, yeah, something like that.
That's all I gotta. What do I get on my
Does this.
license?
Wait, try this one, see if it makes sense.
Cool, four.
I'm about to fuck this shit up. Okay.
Okay, wait, can I. Give me your paper.
No. Fuck off.
No, you want to.
No. Fuck off. I'm doing it.
Okay. See?
Oh. I'm gonna turn black now. Alright, guys, what are we gonna do?
What do you mean?
For this test, how are we gonna cheat on the test?
That's why we're studying, bro. It's fun, it's not the cheat.
The studying is not fun. Cheating is fun. Like I said.
Okay, bro. Okay, so -2 times 16 is -36, -32, right? Okay. I don't like it. Plus row 1 would be 1 and then 0, and -3 plus -8, which would be -11. And -32 plus -5, which would be -37. That's only row 1.
I mean, I would also suggest like using a calculator for it, but
You know,
just to make sure.
fuck
like, the-
you, I don't own a calculator.
Well, I
So-
mean, you can rent them from the maths department.
Doesn't he give out calculators if you give me your phone?
Yeah, on the test.
Which is why you gotta keep your phone, because you can use your phone as a calculator. Just think about it, bro.
So I gotta bring in my trap phone.
Am I stupid? Yeah.
Should I bet on Luke McCaffrey to get 1 yard? Half a yard even? But they're only 2
Row
minutes
3
left.
plus row 2.
Oh, the line just moved up. I think he just got a yard. He just got a yard. No fucking way. As I said that, he just got it. Oh.
Okay, can you do it real quick? I don't know if what I got was right. What's the answers? Wait, no.
Can I look at what you
No.
did? Just let me
Let me
see
see the
what.
fucking.
Just let me see
the
what
page.
you
Just let me
did.
see the page. I'm a fucking genius, bro. My brain is so big. It's so fucking big. Oh my god. I did it right. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, yippee.
Yes!
Guys, I'm not retarded.
No, you're not.
Let's
you never
fucking
were.
go. Shut the fuck up. Don't uplift me. Uplift? Pantera? No fucking way. Yeah. I don't even need the rest of this scroll.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
Given this matrix, what is the value of x, y, and z?
This is the easiest one on the whole review. Promise. I promise.
1.
Wait, what? Where? 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 Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Bro, tell me, bro.
Hold on.
No,
Let me see.
wait, no, let me explain it to
Bro,
you.
let me see, bro. Which one?
No, this one.
Oh.
Number 13.
Wait, okay, that makes sense.
It's just the numbers
Yeah.
on the right side of the line. Going down. Look, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So,
Mark.
X equals -4,
Oh.
Y equals
'cause it's
5,
one- Okay.
and Z equals 3.
Dude, I'm so fucking smart, bro.
Yes, you are. Alright. This is actually easier because this is only 2 lines for the matrices.
Is there like a step that you do for matrices?
There's many steps that you do for
God
matrices.
fucking damn it.
God
You're about to see
fucking
how many
damn it.
times we're gonna draw this fucking box, and it's gonna drive you insane, but you have to.
Box drives me insane.
I was crazy once, and I can be crazy again.
I'm sorry.
Please cooperate. I'm sorry, that was mean.
What?
Okay, wait. Okay. So now we have this. I'm sorry. Okay, so now we have this drawn out, right?
No.
Yes? Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you think is the fastest way to get the top left number to be 1? No, please take this seriously. This is genuinely not easy.
I'm fucking thinking about it. I just
Okay.
don't have a serious facial expression.
Okay.
Subtract 1.
But there's an easier way of doing it, and you can't subtract. That's
Okay.
a rule, you cannot subtract.
Multiply by -2.
That would give you 0 for the top.
To get it 1, to get it to 1.
You want to get it to 1, but if you multiplied it by -2, it would be 0.
Multiply by 1/2.
You could do
would
that,
get
but there's an
1.
easier way. You can switch the rows.
Switch row 1 with row 2.
Yes, there you go. So row 2 becomes row 1. It's 1, 3, 11. That's 2, -1, and 8. Wonderful. So now we have the first number that we need. And the way that you solve this, we want it to basically in the reduced form, we want it to look like this when we're done. And this is going to be random number, random ass number. This is how we want it to look when it's done. And solving it, we need to go down, right, and up, like a box. But you always start with the top left. So it's basically going to go like that. So to get this number to be 0, what do we have to do?
Oh, this is gonna sound crazy.
I'm listening.
Multiply by 0.
You can't multiply it by 0.
I said the same thing.
It's a rule.
Multiply by -2.
Yes.
Look at me go.
What?
You might drink
Which one?
the one closer to my bed.
Is that actually what it is?
Yes. You multiply,
Oh, fuck,
you
okay.
multiply the whole row by -2.
There's nothing in it. Yeah, no.
And that becomes 0, 2. And am I retarded? No. Negative 16.
Do we have a chat or are we just streaming to nobody?
Oh, we're streaming to nobody.
Put it in the Instagram group.
Okay.
Sorry to get distracted.
It's fine.
Oh, I was talking about the one with everybody. Ah, watching each other or watching ourselves.
That's so weird.
What was the live chat? I know I can open
What the
the
fuck?
live
Why
chat
do I
on
look?
YouTube.
Why am I just hit it? And why are they able to see the rest of our rooms, man?
Sending this to every group chat I'm in. What's the fucking big group chat? What's the big group chat?
Take some ice.
What's stupid?
CO27?
Yeah, I'm looking for it. I don't know what it is.
Hey, we're not even kind of turning now. Am I still in it?
I don't fucking know.
Moon.
Drop those pants.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Who said that?
Big perk.
It's weird how this is like a
Delayed?
minute late.
Delayed?
Delayed, yeah.
Dude, celebrity wannabe lip sync happening on the 29th. What if I just do Slut Me Out by Annalie Choppa and start fucking the floor? Winner gets a $200 gift card.
I say go for it.
Like, they can see your screen?
Yeah, but not really. Everything's covered. How do I open the chat?
Are you on Streamlabs?
No, I'm on regular OBS.
Just pull up the chat.
I don't know how to pull up the chat. That's my entire problem.
Sahina?
Saber. That is my name in about every game that I've ever played.
Cringe.
Alright. What are you... Did you just write Chiga? Oh, that's not what you wrote.
Hmm?
Her live stream.
Hey, you can't say that.
I know I can't.
They gave me
Show
my
the
drink
stream.
like that. Show the stream. That's how they gave me my drink.
I don't want to get a fucking TOS ban, bro.
No one's watching.
Huh? YouTube has AI shit, bro.
That has?
Yes.
That has? Is it flipped?
No.
That's how they gave me my drink. Okay, continue. I love how she's the only one who's actually in frame.
Oh. Alright.
Oh my god, you're so old. You're so old.
Are you done?
Oh,
Can we continue?
Hell no.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
give me some ice.
No.
I swear. Come away.
Hmm?
You illegal people didn't get it. Oh.
that drip?
I'll double bonnet, yeah.
You have 2 bonnets on? Is that extra protection?
I don't use protection. That's a fucking.
That's a crazy pull.
Not that crazy.
I kind of expected that though. Okay.
What do you mean you kind of expected that?
It just sounds like something you would say.
It's
Okay.
closer to something.
Now to get
Oh shit, we didn't finish that one. I started the second one. My fault.
I want to pickpocket.
now
lock
to
your
get
lock.
2 to be 1, what do we have to do?
Multiply by -2.
No.
Multiply by 1/2.
Yes.
Oh, you smart, you smart.
You smart, Cookie. You're very intelligent. You're very big brain. Your brain very big.
Guys, what if I just like... What if I stick this into a plug? Chat, what would happen, chat? Chat ain't even here. Bro, stream on Twitch, bro. We're more likely to get viewers on Twitch.
Okay, now how do we get the 3 to be 0?
I hate Indians.
I want to talk to more people. Stream on Twitch.
Nobody's gonna fucking. There's nobody that's gonna be on Twitch either.
I guarantee you there will be.
Can I stream to both at the same time?
Pretty sure that's illegal. But I'd rather do Twitch than YouTube. Because YouTube is for videos. YouTube ain't for streaming. Oh shit, yeah. Y'all stream on my Twitch account?
No.
I used to average like 7 viewers. Fuck. I just kind of looked up. Whoa, what did I just say? Charger. Oh, sorry. You couldn't wait. Actually, let's set up the stream on Twitch first. So. Also, we can stream on Kick. Kick pays you by the hour every time you stream if you get a deal. That's lucky dope.